Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked accounts on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings, then in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you can search about the application of Netflix, and you will enter here in this page. Search about Netflix here. You can enter and you will click on first stop. Then you can click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.